Hi, my name is Christine, and I'm just going to quickly go over my term project. So I worked with the Spotify web API to create an application that recommends songs based on how you're feeling. So this is the start screen. There's a little bit of background music playing. Click to start. I'm just going to go ahead and mute this. The first thing it asks you to do is put in your username. And then the next thing it asks you to do is to demonstrate how happy or sad you are, or how happy or sad you want your music to be, using this little smiley face guy. So you can change his mood. You can choose music that's kind of in between or just really sad. You choose this one. And so each kind of smiley face or frown corresponds to a different numerical rank. And right now what my program is doing is it's going through your user data and it's picking out your top artists and using that to find recommendations. And then it'll go into those tracks and assign it a ranking depending on certain features. And based on that, it'll compile just a couple different recommendations, and it'll display it like this. These are all the album covers, and then you can scroll through them, and then if you want to listen to a bit of it, you can just click on it. It'll play it, and just click again to pause. You can go here. And then if you really like the song and you want to save it to your library, you can just press S. So nothing, you can look here, it's right there. And then if you ever want to go back to listening to that bossa nova, you can always do that. And that's pretty much it.